And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this mini 21-volt chainsaw. You can see mini chainsaw 6-inch cordless on the sticker with splash guard. Very nice little case that it comes in. Let's open it up. So now we can open it up and look at this. So beautiful. So they include a little installation guide for like your chainsaw blade and all that kind of stuff. Love that. Then we have the chainsaw itself. Very, very nice. Looks like you're able to just literally grab this trigger and the blades will go through. That is the guard that I was talking about. Okay. Then you have battery number 1, 21 volts, 2 amp hours. Battery number 2, a little charging brick to charge up your batteries, and then some extra tools here. So this is for like oil. Wow, they even give you an extra chainsaw. That's awesome. A tool for taking everything apart, Allen wrench essentially, and a little included screwdriver. All right, so you charge them right here with this port, and then they easily slide right into place. This is your safety to release it, and then this button, of course, starts it. So we should be able to cut like these branches here. Well, it actually goes through pretty easy. So you can easily just slice right through. So let's see how it'll cut this thick branch. Through. That's pretty dope. Thanks again to the company who sent it to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.